and to show off to our clients as well our new client offboarding and transition packet. So I was trying to find something to kind of smooth the transition when we've completed a project for a client, specifically website design projects. I wanted a smoother transition to be able to answer questions and show tutorials to our clients. A lot of our clients may not be very tech savvy, so I wanted something that we could just email to them and they could open it up and just view everything that they needed to view regarding their completed project. So that is how this came about. And everything in here is linked. And so when you'll be purchasing this, you will see that all of your links will be linked here. Obviously, we'll customize it with your information. You don't have to have pictures, but we'll be customizing it with your brand colors, things of that nature. But I do want to show you some of the functionality within this interactive PDF so that you know how all of this works prior to purchasing. And so up here, you'll see our links. So in this link area, you can click on any of these. It's going to ask them if they want to open that page, and it'll bring them directly to that particular page. So that is an awesome, awesome feature. And so you literally could click on any of these, and it's going to link them to your social profiles. So that is something really, really cool. In this section, obviously there's a little client message or a message to our clients there. But then in here, we have our table of contents. These are clickable buttons or clickable links. And so if they click on any of these, let's just say our retainer program, it's going to bring them directly to that section in the document. So that's a pretty cool feature because if they're not looking to view, kind of go through all of this, then they'll be able to just click a section and get to that section of the document. Here in important details, as designers, we all know that it's important to be able to provide information to our clients to empower them to be able to move forward. And so, for instance, for us, we have a login where they can get to their client portal. For us, we use a system called Dipsado. And so if you're not using something to manage your clients or you don't have client portal access, I highly suggest this program. We do have affiliate links on our website. If you go to creativityjustified.com, then you look under client tools client tools, and you'll see that we have an affiliate link there for a percentage off. So here, these are all form fillable, so you be able to go in and literally just enter, whatever information there. So you be able to enter, okay, here you go, client. Here's your, WordPress login URL, so that they know moving forward that this is all that they would need to do to get into their thing. Then you can type in whatever username. So I'm just going to say test as an example, just showing you guys that you can type within these fields. Same thing here. Now I put most of the providers in here, but we can customize it to your client base. And so here I have SiteGround, GoDaddy, Bluehost, Google, HostGator, and you can just choose whichever one their hosting platform is on. Or you can actually go in and just, if you want to type a certain one, you can do that as well. So I wanted to do it both ways. So you could do either one. And the same thing, you can provide their host login details. You can type that in, or you can just select here and type in their username and their password. Here, if you've done brand collateral, like any logos, flyers, business cards, anything like that for your clients, then you can link the gallery to where they'd be able to access those pieces of collateral. Also, for any client files, we use Dropbox, and so we just share our Dropbox or their Dropbox folder with them, where we've dropped other files. But you may be using Google Drive or anything else, we can link that there as well. We do promote very heavily that our client sites be secure, and so we've given a link, our affiliate link, for them to be able to purchase website security. Now here, the fun part, so video tutorials. So now we have instructional videos to show our clients how to kind of navigate things within their site, how to submit online tickets to us, things of that nature. So for instance, if I were to click on this first one here, how to submit an online ticket, then they would see this video, and then they
to give you a brief tutorial on how to submit
go
an
directly
online
to it
ticket.
and learn
So if your
how to
client
do
or
those things. So that's pretty cool. And each of these links to videos, so we can have them linked to your tutorial videos, or even if they're not your tutorial videos, if someone's already made a video on it on YouTube and you just want to link them to it, then you can do that, and we can incorporate that for you as well. Helpful resources. So for everyone, all designers, this is going to be something different. Some designers might feel comfortable with providing this information, others may not. I always feel like the more transparent that we can be with our clients and the more resources that we can provide to them, the better. So we do provide to them some resources to empower them to say, hey, here are ways that you can help improve and impact your brand. Here's some resources: Canva, PicMonkey, Poster My Wall, and all of these are links to those particular resources. We also provide resources to businesses. So we give them the link to the Small Business Administration, SBA, because we're specifically in Louisiana. If we're dealing with Louisiana clients, then we provide these resources as well. If they're not Louisiana clients, then we provide just general resources that they can click on and learn more about for their business. Then we also give them tools to effectively run their business. So Dubsado being a CRM platform. If they're a startup and they're trying to minimize their startup costs, we offer information about co-working spaces and communications. We give information here about our online community called the BYB Collective. You can join it as well, but it's a Facebook group and website that we gave links to, and that's just to, again, build our brand and build up some of our community resources as well. So here, if you click on any of these, we have them linked to where it goes directly to our pages where they can leave a review for us. So for instance, if they were to click on Facebook, then it's going to lead them directly to our reviews and allow them to be able to, submit a review or any of those things. So that's a great resource. Same thing with all of these other links. Now we added something different where we wanted them to be able to submit or request to do a video testimonial that we can include on our social media platforms and our website. And so we've included a link here. This is integrated again with Dubsado, and it's simply a form that we will have them fill out and they would have to submit their script to us, and then they would have to, once we receive that information back, then we would schedule with them. And so, I'm sorry guys, I'm on LTE. So they would submit this form, they would upload anything or write their testimony in, and then they would let us know when they'd be available for us to film their video testimonial. So that's a cool feature as well. It links to the form. Okay. This just gives them a little bit of information about our retainer program. For you, it might be different. For you, this section might be available, other available services. So we would just list out the available services if you want to include the cost there, and then a link to how they'd be able to purchase that service for you. But if you do have something like an ongoing program, which I do suggest to designers, because that will bring recurring income to your business, then we give them information about that, and then the pricing for a few of our retainer options. And then they could just click on this link. So this link here is going to link to our website, and then once they get there, they would see all of the retainer programs that we offer. And so for us, we offer programs like website maintenance, graphic design retainer, print media retainer, social media management retainer, things of that nature. And so you'll see that there, and they could just click on it and then start their subscription to that particular service. Okay. Then we have our referral program. And so, most great businesses run off of the referrals they get, and because we treat every client respectfully and we build relationships with our clients, then some of our best clients come from the referrals that our clients give to us. And so we do give them an incentive. They can generate a link on our website, and then they be able to provide that link to anyone that they're referring, and then they'd be able to make money off of it. That's not something that you have to include. You can have your referral program may be completely different, but you want to have a way where you can collect those referrals. And then for us, we have this section. We just wanted to be generous to our clients. So we have a section called client appreciation. And then you put whatever percentage in there, whatever the promo code is that they can use on your site. And again, all of these buttons down here are linked to our platform. So if they go to any of these, for instance, if I click on the YouTube icon at the bottom, it's going to link to our YouTube channel. So that's just a brief overview of this interactive PDF. It's something great and cool that you can use for your business. We can customize this for you with your brand colors, your links. Even if there are some things that you'd like to change, we will do layout changes for you. Layout changes will come at an additional cost, but if it's simply going to be just taking your information and changing it, meaning we're going to change your client message here, your links, this area here where their picture is, we can change that up for you. This area here might stay the same. We just be linking yours. Same thing here. We just be linking your videos and changing like the description or the title of the videos. Helpful resources, you can provide those links to us that you want us to include on here. If you have an online community, we can include that there. Or if you want to totally do it out this page, you could. Feedback and review, we can change these review links to other review links. You might use other platforms for reviews, and so we would be able to link that there. So any of this can be altered, customized. That's what this product is about. And so if you're interested, definitely go ahead and click on the link and purchase this item. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for choosing Creativity Justified.